Good job. Okay. Okay, you're trying it again. Okay. Now it's Cedric's turn to write baby. Teachers having asthma. Good job. Okay. How about Caitlin? Are you done writing Mommy Z? Write Mommy Z. Where's your pointer finger? Show teacher your pointer finger. Good job. Okay. Okay, how about Martina? Have you tried? Can I borrow Mommy Z first? Okay. Okay, Martina will just try to write first, baby Z. Okay. Use your pointer finger. Where's your pointer finger? Good job. Now put it on top. Mommy will assist you. Okay. Are you done with this one, Vivian? You're done? Are you done? Yes? You're done? Done. Okay. Can she borrow this one? Okay. Yes. Okay, good job, Martina. What letter is this again, everybody? Letter D. This is mommy. D, and this is baby. Very good. Are you ready to roll? Roll our dough. We will form letter C using our dough. Okay. Teacher will give you dough. For Cedric. For Vivian. Martina and Theodore. Okay. Squeeze it. Squeeze it first. Squeeze it like teacher. Squeeze it. Okay, good job everybody. And then roll it. And then on the table. And then pound it. Very good. Are you ready to roll your dough? Roll your dough. I want you to make a long snake. Long snake, huh? Middle finger and two hands. Two hands. Good job. See? I want you to make long snake. Make a long snake. Okay, she wants it alone now. See, you're getting the hang of it. More. Make it longer like that. Like teacher, our okay, roll your dough. Oh, that's so small. Okay, teacher now will give you your blue trays. Okay, where are we supposed to start? Look for the smiling face. Smiling face. There. Okay, we will start to put our clay below the smiling face. And then follow the red line. Follow the red line. Good job, Vivian. after you put the clay, we will tap. It's time to tap. Where is your tapping fingers? Okay, ready? We gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap and stop. Do you think we need some more tapping? More tapping? Okay, ready? We gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap and stop.
Nice.
Wow! Ready to show teacher your